Flowing into the Mill Creek is almost complete. The Lick Run Greenway project isn't just practical, it's also kind of pretty. 35 buildings were torn down between Queen City and Westwood Avenues from White Street to the Mill Creek. Drivers have had to tolerate traffic backups, closures, and detours. Here is what it looks like now. Awesome job by T.R. Gormley and Brian Dykes for that bird's eye view, Skyview 12. The project will be completed in early spring, and then the city will repave Queen City Avenue between Harrison Avenue and White Street. So it'll continue to be a bumpy ride until then.